Ever wonder why everyone is talking about CoQ10? Like, why is it so important? It basically comes down to the mitochondria. It's the energy makers in each cell. Now, here's an illustration of an egg cell, and you see the little tiny purple footballs inside. Those are the mitochondria. In egg and embryonic cells, they have more than 10 times more mitochondria than any other cell in the whole body, which is kind of remarkable. So you might be wondering why. Well, the reality is in that early egg and embryonic developmental period, it requires a crap ton of energy. That means you need a lot of these mitochondria and you need them to be working optimally. But there's one big problem. Most women and people with periods who are struggling to get and stay pregnant are exhausted. Now, you can't see this graph very well, but this is based on over 10,000 women who have done their conceivable report, and you can see that less than 30% have energy levels above a 6. Part of this is caused by diet, lifestyle, and behavioral health, and part of it is probably caused by some injury to the mitochondria. And there's a lot of things that all of us do every single day that can hurt the mitochondria and make them function less. Remember, when the mitochondria aren't functioning well, it makes it really hard for the eggs to develop and that HCG to double every 2 days for that normal development. So the things that we know injure the mitochondria are stress, poor diet, aging, unfortunately, because that's hard to fix, chemicals in our makeup and hair dye and food that we're eating, not exercising and over-exercising, alcohol, chronic stress, and medications like antibiotics and in particular tetracycline, because a lot of people are taking that for cystic acne related to PCOS. So what do you do about it? Well, the only thing you can do is work on those things that I just discussed and use a super high quality CoQ10 in the form of at least ubiquinone or ubiquinol. What we found is that ubiquinone is the more refined version of CoQ10. That's a very low quality product if it says ubiquinone. If you see ubiquinol gold, is which we used to use at Conceivable, the research started coming out that really only people over 65 needed a quality that high. So we dropped it down to the second tier, make it a little bit more affordable and better lasting. I know this was a lot of information. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments. I'll see you there. If you're interested in what are the underlying factors that are impacting your ability to get and stay pregnant, need some motivation, please follow along for more and join my live at 5 almost every day.